Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring Freshservice, a robust IT service management platform from Freshworks. Whether you are a new user or looking to optimize your IT operations, this guide covers everything from account registration to advanced features. By the end of this tutorial, you will be proficient in navigating the interface, setting up essential services, and utilizing the platform's powerful tools to their full potential. Developed by Freshworks, Freshservice is a comprehensive platform designed to simplify ITSM while remaining flexible enough for businesses across various industries. Freshworks is well known for creating innovative tools that streamline marketing, customer service, and IT operations, and Freshservice is no exception. It focuses on delivering high-end IT solutions with a focus on ease of use. Key features of Freshservice include incident management, which allows you to address and resolve IT issues quickly to minimize downtime. It also features SLA management to ensure timely responses by tracking service commitments. The platform offers unified service catalogs to simplify requests through an organized system that users can easily navigate. For long-term stability, it includes change and problem management to handle system updates and address the root causes of recurring issues. Furthermore, AI-powered automation uses artificial intelligence to handle routine tasks, saving time and boosting overall productivity. You can also build a comprehensive knowledge base for quick access to critical information and use the analytics and reporting tools to track performance and make data-driven decisions. Freshservice is more than just an IT tool. It is a complete management platform designed to enhance efficiency and improve workflows. To begin, setting up your account is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Visit the official Freshservice website and select the bright Start Free Trial button located on the homepage. You will need to enter your professional business email address, as the platform is specifically tailored for organizational operations. Complete the required fields and click Sign Up for Free to create your account. This setup process is quick and user-friendly, giving you access to your dashboard within seconds. Before you start exploring, make sure to verify your email address. This step is crucial for ensuring full functionality and access to all the tools Freshservice offers. Once verified, you are ready to manage incidents, automate workflows, and set up your service catalogs to streamline your operations from the very start. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by the Freshservice dashboard, which serves as a central hub for managing all aspects of your IT or business operations. The dashboard provides a high-level overview of system health, open tasks, and key metrics at a glance. In the Tickets section, you can seamlessly track and resolve support requests or customer queries. The Problems section allows you to identify recurring issues and analyze their root causes for long-term resolution. Change Management helps you plan, approve, and monitor system changes with minimal disruption, while the Releases tab keeps you updated on new features or deployments. You can manage your entire inventory, including hardware and software licenses, in the Assets section. For team collaboration, the Projects area helps organize efforts with milestones and task tracking. The Solutions section allows you to build a self-service knowledge base with FAQs and guides, while the Analytics tab provides detailed reports and data visualizations for actionable insights. To get your first service running, navigate to the Services section. This is where you outline the specific services you offer, whether they are internal IT support or external customer consulting. Click Create a Service and fill in the necessary details. Start with a clear service name, such as Network Troubleshooting, and specify the service type as either business or IT. You should also define the impact level as low, medium, or high and assign a specific team or individual responsible for managing it. Setting up service level agreements, or SLAs, is vital. Here, you define your response and resolution time commitments. For example, you might commit to responding to high-priority issues within 1 hour. You can also include relevant costs and upload supporting files like user manuals. Once you click Create, your service will be live and ready for use. Tickets are the core of Freshservice, helping you manage everything from internal requests to customer inquiries. In the Tickets section, you can view all active tasks, including their status, priority, and assigned agent. To create a new ticket, click the New Ticket button and enter the requester's name or email. Choose a category, such as Access Request, and set the priority level based on the urgency of the issue. Provide a detailed description to clarify the request for the support team. You can manually assign tickets to specific agents or use automation rules to assign them based on keywords or categories. Freshservice intuitive interface ensures that every request is organized and nothing is overlooked. For recurring issues that waste time and resources, the Problem Management section helps you find permanent solutions. Instead of fixing the same error repeatedly, you can create a new problem, entry, and describe its impact. You can link all related tickets to this problem so that once the root cause is resolved, Freshservice automatically updates all associated tickets with the resolution details. Use the platform's tools to document your findings and implement preventative measures. Similarly, when rolling out updates or new features, the Change Management section minimizes disruptions. Create a change log, define its purpose, and route it to stakeholders for approval. This ensures everyone is aligned and the implementation is successful without causing system issues. The Assets section helps you stay organized by managing your organization's physical and digital resources. This includes tracking inventory, software licenses, and vendor contracts. To add a resource, click Add Asset and select the appropriate type from the list. For software, you can track applications and subscriptions, while the Contracts section handles warranties and agreements. After entering the asset name and details, you can assign it to specific users or teams. This ensures better accountability and makes it easier to manage the life cycle and maintenance of your equipment. Freshservice also makes it easy to create a comprehensive knowledge base in the Solutions section. This centralized resource helps users find answers quickly through FAQs and troubleshooting articles. Click Add New to create an article for a common process and organize it into folders like Account Management for easier navigation. Use categories to define broader topics and add helpful tags to improve searchability. By building this repository, you empower your team to resolve issues independently, making your support process more efficient. The Analytics section provides powerful insights into your services, helping you track trends and monitor team efficiency. You can dive into detailed reports to see the number of tickets created versus those resolved, which helps identify bottlenecks. Tracking average response and resolution times gives you a clear view of your team's performance and highlights areas that need improvement. You can also monitor service health to see if you are meeting your SLA commitments. Regularly reviewing these analytics allows you to refine your processes, introduce automated workflows, and allocate resources more effectively to improve customer satisfaction. Finally, Freshservice offers seamless integrations with third-party apps via the marketplace in the top right corner. You can connect tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace to enhance your workflow. For instance, syncing with Slack allows for real-time ticket notifications. To add an integration, simply click Install and follow the step-by-step instructions to connect your account. Freshservice is a powerful platform that, when set up correctly, can significantly optimize your service management and operational efficiency.